Hello and welcome. Here's a short film clip introducing the Maintenance Planning and Scheduling for Reliability online training course, delivered by Distance Education from Lifetime Reliability Solutions. Whether you want to grow your career into maintenance supervision and management, or you have been asked to step into the maintenance planning and scheduling role at your company, or you've done that job for some time and now you want formal recognition for your experience and knowledge, then this course is right for you. The training program you follow was built on the philosophy that if you are going to do maintenance planning and scheduling, then learn to do it brilliantly. To make sure that's the result you get from the course, you work with a human tutor who is a specialist. They guide and coach you in the best ways to do maintenance planning and scheduling. You'll leave us as a highly capable maintenance planner and scheduler who knows how to do maintenance planning and scheduling properly, who can improve maintenance performance and reduce costs. You will know effective ways to do planning and scheduling so the maintenance jobs you plan will go successfully, and your equipment and machines are made highly reliable. You'll be sure, fast and masterly at doing your job. There's lots of information about the course on the Lifetime Reliability Solutions website, including the program outline listing the content covered in your training. There are samples of the presentation and instruction materials you will use, and there's general information on pricing and registration. You can also email us at our office if you have a question. In this course, you'll be trained by experts and get certified to the standards of a world-class maintenance planning and scheduling program. The training and knowledge you get opens new opportunities for your career. You'll be able to increase your take-home income. You'll learn how to do maintenance planning and scheduling excellently. You'll handle difficult maintenance situations and improve your company's processes. You will get top outcomes from your people. You'll be a professional maintenance planner and scheduler who delivers impressive results. Your next step is to go and read all about the Maintenance Planning and Scheduling for Reliability online training course. Visit the Lifetime Reliability Solutions website and click the training button in the horizontal menu.